In this section, you will do safety and sanitation to prepare for your next procedure. All universal supplies will remain on the right hand of your station. Remember to wash your hands and be prepared for the next procedure. In this section, I am applying the nail tips to the mannequin hand. Apply your nail tips as normal. I push the nail tips all the way back to the cuticle area, and the nail tips should be cut down to 1.5 inch, no longer, for length. Take your mannequin two-state board already ready to go, not the removable digit hand. In this section, I am cutting the nail tips down to the proper length that is required at state board. In this section, you will make sure your mannequin hand is saturated in the finger bowl with water, and so you can soften up the cuticle. In this section, we are preparing the client hand, and we are removing any old polish. You will go through the steps as if the client had old polish on their hand. You will use nail polish remover to do this procedure. In this section, you're holding your file at a 35-degree angle to a 40-degree angle, filing from right to left inward on each nail. You do not want to file back and forward. You want to file from the right inward to the center and then from the left inward to the center. Do this on every finger. In this section, you will use massage cream, hand lotion, or cuticle oil to massage the client hand. Follow the procedures in your workbook on the manicure section when you're massaging the client hand. In this section, we're using alcohol to remove any excess oils from the manikin, from your client hand, to ensure that there is not overuse of oils, so the polish as well as the other procedures will stick to the nail. In this section, you want to make sure that there is no debris or dirt under the free edge of the nail. Now we're starting our polish. First, you will put a base coat on the nail, let that dry, and then followed by the red coat of polish that's required by state board. Use your brush to clean underneath the fingernails and clean the client hand thoroughly. Then you will move on to the section where you pick up the extra towel that you have to dry the client's hand to ensure that all water and moisture has been removed. Once the client hand is dry, you will put cuticle remover around the edges of the client's fingernails. Then you will use your cuticle pusher. Take out your wood pusher, the metal pusher, start removing, or you can use the cuticle pusher around with the Q-tip edge on the end. Your cuticle pusher. Then use your cuticle. Have all three available for your use. Nippers to remove all dead skin without damaging. Once you finish your polish, you want to make sure you cap it off. That's what we're doing right here in this video. As you can see, all the nails have been polished, but capped off the tips. Once you have completed your procedure, turn your mannequin hand to face the proctor. Have 5 minutes to remove the nail polish and prepare for your next procedure. Make sure you do it with a saturated amount, but not too much to make the nail tip melt off.